Hello friends, today I'm gonna show you how to install Google Chrome offline. First, subscribe to my YouTube channel, click the bell icon for latest updates. Let's begin. Open Google Chrome, type askvg space Chrome offline, enter. You can see there's a website www.askvj.com, download Chrome offline. Open the website, scroll down. You can see there are two links here, one is for 32-bit, another is for 64-bit. Download the desired link for your system configuration. Click the link offline installer. Click download Chrome. The downloading has started. Once download completes, close the browser. Open the downloaded file. Install the Google Chrome standalone setup. If you like my video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, click the bell icon for latest updates. Thank you.